Welcome to this video, and what we're really going to talk about here today is just an introduction to genetics, and so a couple questions for you. When we talk about genetics, what are genes, and what is this term like heredity? What about the term traits? And finally, how does DNA and chromosomes how do they fit into this? So let's talk about the definition for heredity first. So if I were to say heredity, I'm going to break it down into a couple of ideas here. So heredity. Heredity is a reliable way to transfer coded instructions for specifying traits from one generation to another. And we're going to keep coming back to this definition of heredity and what it really means. Okay. So we talked about this idea of like chromosomes too, and DNA, and genes. So where do they fit in here? So how does DNA and chromosomes, how are they related? So genes, we would say, are just a section of DNA. And DNA is found, on the chromosomes. So we could start to get like this little hierarchy going on here of different traits. So if I were to say here, cell, where does the cell fit in? The cell is going to be, bigger than the nucleus. And the nucleus is going to contain chromosomes, so that's bigger than that. And then the chromosomes contain the DNA, and sections of DNA are called genes. So we're looking at we have cells the biggest, nucleus, chromosomes, DNA, and then genes. And so that's how those things just all fit in together.